What's up, everybody? Justin here with bearzapperbbq. Just had the best outtake. Well, listen, I want some pancakes for dinner. Love pancakes. Gonna crush some for dinner tonight. We're gonna make the fluffiest, softest, moistest, most amazing tasting pancakes you'll ever make. And if you want to make them too, follow along. Super simple. It's like 9 easy ingredients. Let's do this. All right, so we have our ingredients here. What we need to start with is 2 cups of all-purpose flour. 1 and 2. Quarter of a cup of granulated sugar. 4 teaspoons of baking powder. 1, 2, 3. I feel like the count from Sesame Street. 1, 2. 3 baking powder. All right, we got our 4 teaspoons of baking powder there. We need a quarter of a teaspoon of baking soda. Half a teaspoon of salt. Teaspoon of salt. Quarter cup of melted butter. 1 3/4 cup of milk. I like to use whole milk. You can also use a little bit of whole milk and cream, like a half and half mixture, just to make it a little creamier. 1 large egg and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. So we'll go with 2 teaspoons of this first. That is almond, not vanilla. That would have been awesome. Read your ingredients, folks. Read your ingredients. Where is my vanilla? There it is. I do love almond extract, though. That would have been a funky mistake. All right, pure vanilla extract. Here we go. Sometimes you make a mistake. That's showbiz, baby. We're back. Better than ever. I guess, if I could get this open. McCormick needs to do better and make it easier to open stuff. All right, 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Let's go. 1, 2. 1 large egg. Oh, first, before we do the egg, because then we're gonna mix it all together, a little bit of Lane's barbecue apple pie seasoning. That's right. Just a few sprinkles. Boop, 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 boop. Yup. Secret ingredient. And then 1 egg. All right. I'm gonna wash my hands. And we're going to stir it up. Then we're going to let it rest. And it's important to let your pancake mix rest. Why? Well, it actually helps it become a little bit fluffier. All right, so we've had the batter kind of resting, really incorporating with all the flour and everything. Really pumped about that. So now we're heating up our pan and getting ready to cook. The key to awesome pancakes is simple. You gotta let the batter rest, and then you gotta let them rest in the pan until they start to bubble. Let them cook. Don't rush it. Can't rush perfection.